Hello guys and welcome back to the Doc Mac Car channel, and today I'm going to do a review on the Ottocast Screen Max. Now this one has been sent out to me by Ottocast directly, so I'm going to do a full in-depth review for you guys. Good news for you guys also is that you guys can get 20% off at checkout by using the code DOCMAC. I'll also include a unique link down below, so make sure you click on that link before you complete your purchase. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So on the outside, you can see it's a pretty well marketed box, and you can see the outside as well. So all you got to do is pull out this grand looking box, and then you will be presented with your Ottocast screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that one out. Now I have had a quick peek at this device before, and it does feature a 2K camera on the back. And also, you do get a camera to mount to the back of your vehicle so that you can have dual view. You can have the front view as well as the back view as well. So looking at the box, we'll take this one out. Okay, so inside the box, they'll give you a spare adhesive tape so that you can mount the screen onto your dashboard. You have got a user manual right here. Ottocast screen user manual, which is fairly easy to set up, I think. We're going to find that out soon. This is the car charger, so this goes into your cigarette lighter, and then this goes to the Ottocast. Now you've got a auxiliary cable, so this one goes directly into your aux port. Now this one has got Bluetooth, and it has got a FM transmitter as well, so you can use that. The other thing you get in here is inside here. Okay, so this is your rear view camera, which is also your reverse camera. So it's got a positive wire right here. So this one goes on to your reverse light, and what will happen is when you engage reverse, the rear camera will come on, acting as a reverse camera and a dash cam at the same time. Alright, what else do you have here? This is the mount for the rear camera. So you've got your sticky mount and your screws as well. Alright, let's take a look at the screen itself. So this is a 10.2 inch screen. Now I'm going to plug the cigarette lighter in right now. Now on the cigarette lighter port as well, it is quite useful because they give you a USB output as well. Alright guys, I now have the screen all set up. I've got this one plugged in to my cigarette lighter port, and this one plugged in to the rear of the vehicle, all the way through to the front. So there's a rear view camera, and that's plugged into the back of the screen, and a cigarette lighter port plugged in for power. All right, so let's turn it on and let's take a look. All right, so as you can see, the Ottocast screen is just turning on right now. Alright guys, so I've got a special link for you guys to click on to get 20% off your order. So make sure to click on the link in the description section below. So as you can see, they've got a lot of cool stuff for sale on their website. Now, for example, if you would like the U2 Air Pro wireless car adapter, which allows you to use your wired system as a wireless system, especially in newer vehicles, you just need to click on this one. And if you have decided that you would like to purchase this one, all you got to do is click on Add to Cart. And there you go. So when you click on View Cart, you will see that it has automatically added the DOCMAC code, which gives you an immediate 20% off. So make sure to click on the link on the description section below, or you can manually use the code DOCMAC to get 20% off. Alright guys, so if you want to manually enter the DOCMAC code, all you got to do is click on Add to Cart, and then you got to click on View Cart, and now you can see it is $109, and all you got to do is select DOCMAC, all in capitals, DOCMACK, and then click on Enter, and that will instantly give you 20% off. So if you go Show Order Summary, and you can see the DOCMAC car channel, for a purchase of $110, you get $21.99 off. Alright guys, so the first option you have here is Apple CarPlay. So if you own an iOS device, you click on Apple CarPlay. Any Android devices, you'll need to click on Android Auto. And for the DVR option, this is your dashcam video recorder DVR. And then you can see that's my rear view camera, my front view camera, my rear view camera, and my front view camera, and my rear view camera. So you can also go here, home, and then you can go to settings, and you can do reverse line calibration, and this is equivalent to your reverse camera. So you can see all the grid lines here, and you can calibrate it properly to the angle of your vehicle. Now this is your playback, so that you can actually see any recorded videos through the dash cam. You got your loop video, your lock, and your photos as well. You do need an SD card for this function. Now this is your audio / output. So basically this will be the speaker, this is your CarPlay / auto, and this is your FM transmitter and your auxiliary. So this is the auxiliary cable that is supplied in the kit, and then that is plugged straight into your vehicle's auxiliary port. Alright guys, let's take a look at the settings options. So I'm going to go to settings, and the first one you have is your recording resolution, and you've got these 3 options right here. The next one is split time, so you've got 3 different options. You can have your mic either on or off, your reminder tone, which is the one which goes beep beep when you actually touch the options. You've got your image mirror, your time-lapse video, your screensaver, your voice control. So for example, you can say show front camera, and then it will also show you based on the command that you say. So the other option you have is auto dimming, and it's got your night brightness as well from the start and end time, so that it complies to the night brightness. This is your driving position, and this is the reverse line calibration right here. So you can actually see when you insert the rear camera, then you can actually do a reverse line calibration so that it properly shows you the grid lines when you're reversing your vehicle. So I'm just going to go back, and this is your language. So these are the different languages that there are. And then now you've got your date and time. This is if you want to format it, you can just go format. This is to format your SD card, and that's factory reset, and this is the firmware version. Alright guys, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch Android Auto, and I'm just going to connect it to this device. So if I go connect car, okay, so I want to connect using my wireless Android Auto, and what I'm going to do is connect using Bluetooth and pair car. So if I scroll to the top, I should see my Ottocast screen right here, and I'm going to select that one and connect to it. Yep, so I want to just pair it to that one, and pad connected. Alright guys, now I have my Android Auto connected. As you can see, this is how it looks. You've got your split screen right here, so you can split screen between whatever options you'd like to see. This is the map section, Spotify, phone calls, settings, my mic, and my split screen, where I can actually view different information that I'd like. For example, if I hit split screen right here, you can see these are the different options right there. So you can see you have got exit, Amazon Music, calendar, game, snacks, maps, messages. You can see like WhatsApp, YouTube Music, things like that, which is quite cool as well. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to play you a sample audio for the internal speaker. So as you can see, that is how it sounds. Now it doesn't sound too bad, but because it is the internal speaker, it doesn't sound the best. If you use auxiliary, either an FM transmitter option or the Bluetooth option. Alright guys, so if you want to use your phone function, you can just select phone, and then you go dial a number, and it will allow you to dial the number that you'd like, and then select call. Alright guys, and that brings me to the conclusion of this video. I hope you have found this useful and informative. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.